Have you ever wanted to let someone in your BMW and hear them say, wow, your interior is extremely nice? Well, in today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all a super simple carbon fiber upgrade that looks ridiculously good. And now the key is you can only notice it when you're getting in and out of your BMW. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. I don't think it's a secret anymore. I'm pretty sure you guys have caught on by now. I absolutely love carbon fiber. All around my interior, we have carbon fiber accents, my carbon fiber steering wheel, my carbon fiber parking brake handle, all my carbon fiber wrapped trim. And in the sun, you guys can see it absolutely glistens. It just looks so sport oriented and is a neck breaker no matter how you cut it. And now that got me thinking, what kind of carbon fiber upgrades can I install on my E92 that someone would really notice as soon as they're getting in and out of the car? And so I started scrolling on different websites, searching all over the internet, and then a thought came to my head. What about a carbon fiber dashboard? Now, in all reality, a full carbon fiber dashboard would actually be extremely unsafe, but the idea did pique my interest, and I started to think, is there anything I could get for the dashboard that would really pop out when someone gets in the car? So I started hopping on website to website, scrolling all around different sites and just trying to find something to install, something to upgrade my interior, and then I found it. And so here they are, guys. They're 100% real carbon fiber. You can see they're absolutely crazy glossy, and basically what this part is an insert that fits in right here on the edge of your dashboard assembly. It spices up this old, boring, bland dash component into that right there, and that's an absolute amazing aesthetic, especially with the aftermarket steering wheel that we have installed. This is actually going to look extremely nice, and you're going to notice it each and every time you're opening the door. So imagine every time you open the door, you're going to look here, and you'll see this piece here, full carbon fiber, and then you'll see the steering wheel and all the other components that we have. So let's go ahead and start installing this right now. Since these do have a 3M adhesive on the back to actually hold these on, we want to make sure we clean the surface off extremely well. That way this adhesive bonds to the panel permanently and basically doesn't come off prematurely. So for that, we went ahead and grabbed some isopropyl alcohol. We're gonna go ahead and throw it on a cloth and then basically wipe down this portion here. Sweet, and now go ahead and just pour on a little bit of the alcohol. You don't wanna pour on too much. And then we're basically gonna go ahead and just softly rub it in. And then we'll go ahead and do another pass just to make sure that we remove all of the residue that's on there. And now we'll go ahead and make sure it's completely dry to the touch. Perfect, just like that. Sweet, and then remember you have two pieces, so you're gonna have one for the passenger side and then one for the driver's side as well. So we're gonna go ahead and grab the passenger side one right now, and we'll simply put it on just like that. Perfect, so we know that that's the cording side. And now let's go ahead and peel off the little protective film covering up that 3M adhesive. Oh yeah, the most satisfying part right here, peeling back this little film. Perfect, and now we're gonna go ahead and be extremely careful to line this up. Don't just press it down immediately. Line it up as best as possible. Just like that, we lined it up. It's not gonna be absolutely perfect, but the important thing is that we get this front seam on correctly, which seems like we did for the most part, and that looks absolutely wicked. I love the way that that looks. 10 out of 10. So now let's go ahead and do the same exact thing to the other side. As you can see, they look absolutely great. I mean, look at the way that the light is reflecting off of this carbon fiber. It just adds such a sporty touch to the interior, especially when you factor in the fully carbon fiber steering wheel. So imagine you just walk up to your E92 and you open the door to get in. It is one of the first things that you see right off of the bat. I mean, especially with the sunlight glistening on it, it looks absolutely crazy, guys. And overall, it just adds a great touch to the interior, and it's a super simple install, especially it only costs like 40-50 bucks. It makes the entire dashboard just look absolutely wicked and matches all of the other carbon fiber accessories we have going on this E92. Guys, this carbon fiber dashboard panel looks absolutely amazing, and you notice it every single time you get in and out of the car. It's just one of those little things that makes the entire interior feel even more sport oriented, especially for only like 50 bucks. It's definitely worth it because it's 100% real carbon fiber, and anyone can install it in literal seconds. If you guys like the way it looks, go ahead and smash that thumbs up. As always, thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace out.